So, um, so basically, a titration is just a neutralization reaction. What you're trying to do is find out what volume of one thing will neutralize a particular volume of something else. So let's say I've got some acid and I've got a base. And for example, maybe I know how much, I know the volume of one. I want to find out what volume of the other will neutralize that. Okay. So now the point of doing that is that if we know the concentration of one of those substances, and we can carry out the experiment to find out what is the volume. Well, we know the concentration and we know the volume. Let's say, for example, we knew it's this one here. This one here we would know the volume of. We've measured it out, and maybe we know the concentration, but maybe we don't know the concentration of this one, or maybe we do know the concentration of this one. But the point is, we're going to end up with one. At the end of the experiment, we're going to know both of the volumes, and in order to carry out the calculation, we would need to know the concentration of one of the other ones. Now, the concentration is measured in moles per decimeter cubed. So often they're just written as like 1 mol, capital MOL, but that means 1 mole per decimeter cubed. Now, we'll talk about what a decimeter cubed is in a moment, but for now, we'll just say it's a unit of volume. In actual fact, it is a litre. It's a litre. So it's how many moles are in a litre. If I had a litre of, let's say if this was 1 molar, and I had a litre of it, then that would mean I have 1 mole of this in that litre. And so that's what concentration means. Now we can use the concentration and we can use the volume, we can work out other things with the balanced equation to calculate that. So in those stages are very similar to how to do the other types of moles questions. So what we're going to do next is we're going to work out how would we mix it. We're going to look at how to just do concentration calculations.